Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new tech reviews and gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a mini USB desktop speaker. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing a mini powerful PC speaker from the company Elegiant. And this is actually Bluetooth. It has Bluetooth, I should say. It comes with a subwoofer and it comes with two separate speakers, which I think are 5 watts each. So those 10 watts that actually come out of this speaker. But before we actually get started with this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, and that just greatly informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get information about this product information, and also the link to purchase this product will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, alongside with all the specifications and details that you may be interested in reading if you're wanting to take a look at it. But right now, what we're going to do is actually proceed to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. As you guys can see, the packaging of this speaker is really impressive. I really love the overall design that Elegiant did with this box. As you can see, we have the speaker, and there's a few specifications on the side, which we are going to take a closer look at with a secondary camera angle. So as you guys can see on front of the box, it just says Elegiant. We have a picture of the speakers right here, as you guys can see, and it says mini powerful 2.1 channel PC speaker with subwoofer, and you can enjoy your favorite music with this speaker. But overall, I really do love the box's presentation. There's a few specifications on this side, you guys can take a pause and read that, but then there's a few more on this back side. So all that's left to do is basically proceed to unbox this speaker. So I'm going to open up this flap and pull back. This is everything that's included with the packaging. We do have a user manual that's included, so you guys can see this user manual will give you guys a lot more information about how to set up this Bluetooth speaker and how to configure it, and then also like some of the things you can do with it. But we are going to put it off to the side. We also have like a product service card. Inside the box, this is our speakers. We have all the cables on top. Let me pull out the subwoofer first. Look how nice that looks. Wow. That's the bottom side. And right here, you guys can see, we do have some USB ports. One of them is our output and one of them is our USB, and we also have a TF card storage spot that we can actually play music off of TF card or SD card if you do have that, which is really nice to see. This is how our speakers look like. You guys can see how nice and presentable they are. We have our left and we also have our right, as they indicated with the stickers on the back. And we also have the USB cable that we need to actually plug into our subwoofer to actually give power to this speaker. So overall, really nice design. I love the grill mesh that they did. All that's left to do now is move over to the testing and demonstration portion where we actually test out this speaker. So the first thing that we're going to do is actually unwrap this subwoofer. So you guys can see this is the subwoofer. We're going to unwrap its cable so that we can actually plug it into our computer source. And that USB cable is what's going to supply power to the speaker. And I'm going to plug the auxiliary port into the laptop now. So that's ready to go. There is a faint little red light. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is a red light indicating that this is ready to go. And now the next thing that we need to do is take our two other speakers, unwrap it, and then plug it into the back of the subwoofer so that it can get power as well. So I'll show you guys this. Let me push this back a little bit. Unwrap this cable right here. And now what we need to do is take this end of the USB cable from the two other speakers, flip this onto its back side, and one of these, ports on the back side is USB, and one of them is output. We want to plug this cable into the one that says output right here. So let me plug that in, just like that. And now we are ready to go. So you guys are probably wondering, what are all these different knobs on the side? So the one that's on the top is our volume up and down knob. We also have our treble in the middle, and we have our bass on the bottom. We have our power button and also our play and pause right here. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see that with my lights. We also have our different meld button right here. We have our previous track button and our next track button right here. Alright, I have a song and we're basically going to play the song, and I'm going to basically mess with some of the different knobs that this subwoofer has, so I can show you guys all the different things you can do with this Bluetooth PC speaker. So let me click on play. I'm going to turn up the volume. Wow. The speakers are working. Very loud. Wow. This is max volume right now. Alright, so I'm going to plug in a USB, what is it called? Flash drive into the back of this speaker just to show you guys the USB playback. So on the back, like I was showing you guys, we have another USB port, right here. Plug it in. But there we go, that was a good song right here. Let me test out the bass that this speaker has with this song. Whatsoever. I am going to show you guys the Bluetooth real quick. I'm not going to show off the TF card, but if you want to connect to Bluetooth, all you need to do is click on this M button right here, and that was going to switch to the different modes that this speaker has. So let me click on it. You guys can see now it did that beep beep, meaning that it is ready to pair up with the Bluetooth mode. So let me basically get on my phone, connect to the Bluetooth of this speaker real quick, and we'll just basically demonstrate it with one quick song. I have a song playing through the speaker right now, through my phone, by my phone I should say. Not bad. Wow. Okay. I can increase the bass. For some reason, this song does a fantastic job with the bass though. I'm really impressed. Wow. If I wanted to, I can pause. Just like that. Click play. Okay, not bad. Okay, very, very impressive. Let me pause. But overall, you guys can see how functional this speaker is. You know, even though it's only 10 watts, it's really capable. It, was able to play a large variety of music that I tested out. And some of the songs did fantastic. Some of them, obviously if you have the bass too much, it's gonna sound distorted. But for some reason, that last song I tested out sounded perfectly fine with this speaker. But that is gonna conclude our testing and demonstration portion of the video. And right now, what we're gonna do is actually proceed to the final reflections and remarks, and then end off this video. So, one of my final opinions and remarks about this Elegiant Bluetooth PC desktop speaker. Overall, I'm actually very blown away with the capabilities that this Bluetooth speaker, or PC speaker I should say, has to offer. There's 4 different ways you can actually output your music to the speaker. You can either use the auxiliary cable that's pre-attached to the subwoofer. You can connect via a USB, flash drive, which I showed you guys in the demonstration part of the video. There's also a TF or SD card slot, so if you want to play your music through an SD card, micro SD card I should say. say. You do have that option as well. I didn't test that out, but it is an option. And then the last thing you can actually do with this speaker is connect via Bluetooth if you want to play your videos or your songs or whatever you're watching via Bluetooth through the speaker. So overall, I'm really impressed with the overall output and also the overall capabilities that this speaker has to offer. Surprisingly, with it only being 10 watts, it's able to fill up this whole entire room that I'm shooting in. So for most people, I think you will do perfectly fine with these computer desktop speakers. That is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys did enjoy this tech review, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like, as that just greatly informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you guys need any assistance with this speaker, make sure you guys message me through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information about this Bluetooth speaker that we reviewed today, product information and also the link to purchase this speaker will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, alongside with all the product information and specifications if you're interested in taking a look at that. But overall, I'm really impressed with the output that this speaker was able to bring to the table. I tested this out with a few songs and they did fantastic with this speaker. We tested out a few different modes. We messed with the volume, the treble, and the bass knobs. And it honestly was really impressive with the overall output that this speaker was able to bring. So, with that being said, that is going to end off this video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.